OpenAI released GPT 5.6 in a brand new app called ChatGPT work today, and after testing it all morning, here's my verdict. This is the first OpenAI release in a year I'd actually tell you to pay for. But not for the reason every headline is screaming. There's one specific feature doing the heavy lifting here, and one flaw that might kill it for you. Stick around, because the details matter. Quick context. GPT 5.6 is OpenAI's newest flagship model, and ChatGPT Work is the long-rumored super app, a dedicated workspace where the model can connect to your email, calendar, documents, and spreadsheets, then run multi-step tasks on its own. Reuters is framing it as OpenAI's direct shot at Anthropic, whose Claude has been eating into the professional market. The pitch: one app that replaces the 5 tools you juggle every day. So what does it actually do? I threw my real Monday morning workload at it. First, inbox triage. It summarized 43 unread emails, flagged the 6 that actually needed replies, and drafted responses, the whole thing in under 90 seconds. My old workflow took me about 25 minutes. Second, I gave it a messy 2,000-row sales spreadsheet and asked for a quarter-over-quarter breakdown with anomalies flagged. It caught a duplicate entry error I genuinely missed. Third, and this is the underrated part, the agent mode. I asked it to prep a client meeting. It pulled the last 3 email threads, checked my calendar, and produced a 1-page brief without me touching anything. That chained, multi-source task is where GPT 5.6 clearly beats what I was getting before. Where it disappointed me: long document editing. It still rewrites more aggressively than I want, and twice it improved sections I told it to leave alone. Who is this for? If your job lives in email, meetings, and spreadsheets, consultants, managers, sales, ops, this is genuinely the best AI workspace I've tested, and yes, I'd pick it over my current Claude setup for those tasks specifically. Who should skip it? Developers, since coding gains over GPT-5 are marginal in my tests, and anyone at a company with strict data policies. Connecting your inbox to this thing is the entire value proposition, and if IT won't approve that, you're paying for a chatbot you already have. Now the honest math. ChatGPT Work is reportedly priced around $30 per user per month. Here's what it replaced for me: my email assistant tool at $19 per month and my meeting summary tool at $18 per month. That's $37 of subscriptions consolidated, so I'm net positive $7 a month, or $84 a year, before counting time saved. And the time math is the real story. If inbox triage alone saves 20 minutes a day, that's roughly 87 hours a year. At even $50 an hour, that's over $4,300 in reclaimed time against a $360 annual cost. That's a 12x return if, and only if, your workflow matches those use cases. If it doesn't, that math collapses to zero. Here's your one actionable takeaway: don't subscribe today. OpenAI is offering a free trial tier. Take your single most annoying recurring task, the one you do every day and hate, and run it through ChatGPT Work 3 times this week. If it wins twice, it's worth $30. If not, you just save $360 a year. That's the test. Subscribe for daily AI intel and drop a comment. What tool do you want me to cover next?